I'll be showing you how to install a cutting blade for a chop saw. After your old blade has been removed, you want to install your new blade. Now make sure that you are buying the same type of blade for your saw. What we're going to do is raise the guard and place our new blade on. After putting your blade on, install the flange, install your bolt and washer, and we're going to repeat the same procedure in rotating our blade and holding the arbor lock in until it locks. So my blade has locked now, and I'm going to take my wrench and tighten it up. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. After installing your new blade, you want to make sure to plug it back in and then test your saw.